Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TikTok account to Impact. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your TikTok account so that when you apply for these brand partnerships, these brands will be able to see your TikTok account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, first we're going to log on to Impact. Then on the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click on these three dots. Next, you're going to click on Settings, which is this button right over here, and you're going to appear on this page here. Then scroll down to where it says Media Properties and click on that. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on Create Media Property, click on Social, and then click on TikTok, which is this here. So click on TikTok, and then it's going to ask you to log into TikTok and then link both of these softwares together. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect TikTok with Impact. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.